You've been lied to about dopamine. It's not just a pleasure molecule. It's actually an algorithm designed to teach your brain how to survive and succeed. It's time to stop guessing. Today, we're breaking down the hard science of how your brain learns, sets goals, and drives behavior, starting right now. Welcome to Biohack Protocol Lab, where we explore the deep neuroscience behind human behavior and the complex mechanisms of brain chemistry today. Today, we dive deep into the computational neuroscience of dopamine with the brilliant pioneer and researcher Dr. Reid Montague in studio. We often misunderstand dopamine as just a pleasure molecule, but it is actually a sophisticated learning signal for our complex brains. Dopamine acts as a prediction error signal that teaches our biology how to navigate and adapt within a constantly changing environment. When outcomes deviate from our expectations, the brain uses these dopamine fluctuations to adjust future behaviors and optimize our decision-making. It is not merely about feeling good, but about calculating the value of our actions to ensure survival and future success. Huberman and Montague discussed the seesaw relationship between dopamine and serotonin, which regulates our motivation and response to unexpected life events. While dopamine drives our pursuit and learning, serotonin provides a critical feedback mechanism when reality fails to meet our initial predictions. A fascinating point raised is how SSRIs might inadvertently dampen the reward signaling of dopamine, affecting our natural drive and motivation. This creates a complex dilemma regarding mental health treatments where increasing serotonin might come at the cost of our incentive salience. Our brain functions much like an advanced AI algorithm, using reinforcement learning to optimize every single decision we make every day. From simple organisms to complex humans, the fundamental drive to learn through consequences is mediated by these precise dopamine signaling pathways. By understanding these mechanisms, we can better leverage deliberate delays and strategic tools to improve our capacity for learning and persistence. Applying these insights allows us to hack our own biology for better focus and sustained effort throughout our most challenging tasks. The interplay of these neurotransmitters dictates how we pursue goals and how we manage our internal states in the modern world. We are uncovering the blueprint of human behavior by studying how these neural signals shape our desires and our learning capabilities. Persistence is not just a character trait, but a biological state we can influence by managing our dopamine and serotonin levels. Balancing these systems is essential for mental clarity and maintaining high levels of motivation in the face of life's many challenges. The future of neuroscience lies in understanding how these computational models can translate into actionable protocols for every single human being. We are witnessing a new era where biology meets computation, providing us with unprecedented tools to master our own mental health. Understanding the learning signal of dopamine is the first step toward unlocking our true potential in both personal and professional life. This conversation changes how we view our impulses and how we structure our lives to achieve better outcomes in the future. Finding the balance between reward and reflection is the key to a healthy and productive mind in our fast-paced world. Your brain is constantly learning and adjusting to your environment based on the signals provided by your own internal dopamine pathways. By mapping these signals, we can begin to see how our choices today create the neural architecture of our future selves. Deep work requires a steady supply of dopamine to keep us engaged with difficult tasks over long periods of time consistently. We must protect these delicate systems from overstimulation to maintain our natural capacity for joy, motivation, and deep intellectual curiosity daily. The research presented here by Dr. Montague provides a new framework for understanding the biological basis of our most human desires. Every mistake we make is an opportunity for the brain to update its model of the world using these dopamine signals. Our nervous system is a masterpiece of evolution capable of incredible adaptation when we provide it with the right environmental inputs. Dopamine is the engine that drives us forward, but it must be managed with wisdom to ensure we stay on track. Take control of your neural environment by understanding how these chemicals work and how you can influence them for better results. Physical activity is a powerful way to regulate your neurotransmitters and improve your mental state through natural and healthy biological processes. Consistency is the secret to a healthy brain as it allows these chemical systems to function at their peak performance levels. This collaboration between biology and neuroscience opens new doors for anyone looking to optimize their brain function and overall life quality. We hope this deep dive into dopamine has provided you with the knowledge to make better decisions for your own future. Thank you for joining us at Biohack Protocol Lab for this journey into the fascinating world of neuroscience and human performance. Apply these insights to your life and watch how your focus, drive, and happiness transform through the power of neuroscience today. We are all capable of greatness when we understand the biological mechanisms that drive our thoughts, our actions, and our dreams. Stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of your own biology as we continue to unlock the secrets of the human mind. The potential for growth is endless once you master the chemistry of your own brain and align it with your goals. Take time to reflect on your progress and adjust your strategies as you learn more about how your brain functions daily. Knowledge is the greatest tool you have to improve your life and reach your highest potential in this modern complex world. We believe that science should be accessible to all who seek to improve their lives through rigorous study and dedicated practice. Science is a collaborative journey, and we are honored to share these insights with you on our path to better health. Your journey to a better brain starts here with the knowledge you have gained today about dopamine and its incredible power. Use this knowledge to build better habits and achieve your goals with more clarity, focus, and energy than ever before possible. We are building a community of learners who are dedicated to optimizing their health through the latest findings in modern neuroscience. Our mission is to provide you with the most accurate and actionable information to help you lead a healthier, better life. Balance is the foundation of all health, and we are here to help you find that balance in your own life. Mindful movement and deep breathing are great ways to support your brain's chemistry and maintain a healthy and balanced internal state. We thank you for your commitment to learning and for being a part of this growing community of health-conscious individuals. It has been a pleasure sharing these insights with you, and we look forward to exploring more topics in future episodes. Remember to subscribe to Biohack Protocol Lab for more deep dives into the science of human health and performance every week. We appreciate your time and your dedication to learning more about your brain and how to optimize it for your future. Take these lessons with you and apply them to your daily routines to see real changes in your focus and motivation. Your journey to a better life is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time and enjoy the process of learning. Keep your goals in sight and use the power of your brain to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way today. We hope this video has sparked a new interest in neuroscience and encouraged you to explore the potential of your mind. Everything you do is a reflection of your neural patterns, so choose your actions wisely to create the life you want daily. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will explore even more fascinating topics related to human biology and brain performance. Your brain is your most valuable asset, so treat it with the care and the attention it deserves to function well daily. Understanding how your brain works is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your dreams in the modern world. We thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of neuroscience and for your passion for learning today. Balance is essential for a healthy mind, so take the time to nurture your brain and support your well-being every day. Consistency is the key to achieving your goals, so keep working hard and stay focused on the path you have chosen daily. Every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. So make the most of your potential and reach for the stars. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this deep dive into the neuroscience of dopamine helpful for your life. See you in the next episode where we continue our exploration of the fascinating world of human health and performance daily. Keep learning, stay curious, and continue to prioritize your brain health to reach your full potential in every single way today. Your physical health is tied to your mental health, so keep moving and keep challenging yourself to be your best self. Understanding these mechanisms is the first step toward living a more intentional and fulfilling life in our modern and complex world. We hope this video has provided you with the knowledge to make better choices for your own health and your future. The power to change your life is within your reach, so take action and start building the future you truly deserve today. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we look forward to seeing you in our next deep dive. Stay healthy, stay focused, and keep exploring the frontiers of your own biology as we continue to learn more every day. Knowledge is power, and we are here to provide you with the tools you need to succeed in your personal life. Your dedication to learning is what sets you apart, and we are proud to support you on your journey to success. Take care of your mind and support your well-being with the knowledge you have gained from this deep scientific discussion. Reflect on your journey and continue to push yourself to achieve your highest potential in all areas of your life daily. Keep moving forward and stay committed to your personal growth as you explore the amazing potential of your own human mind. Thank you for being part of our community and for your commitment to learning more about the science of human health. We look forward to seeing you again soon for another deep dive into the fascinating world of neuroscience and human performance. Keep learning, stay curious, and continue to prioritize your brain health to reach your full potential in every single way possible. Your physical health is tied to your mental health, so keep moving and keep challenging yourself to be your best self. Understanding these mechanisms is the first step toward living a more intentional and fulfilling life in our modern and complex world. We hope this video has provided you with the knowledge to make better choices for your own health and your future. The power to change your life is within your reach, so take action and start building the future you truly deserve today. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we look forward to seeing you in our next deep dive. Goodbye and stay tuned for more science-based content from Biohack Protocol Lab, designed to help you optimize your human life.